Goodness gracious, we're back again, dreaming as usual, but we'd rather be doing. And so, what is this company all about? Well, first off, the title of the company, Leaf Computer Forest Software. I'm not going to tell you the cool things I have in mind. I want to work with some people, hopefully at Case Western or either maybe MIT. Um, these ideas and devices I want to plan out. I don't want to reveal that because I don't want you stealing my idea, right? I'm sure somebody has it, some form of my idea. That doesn't mean what I'm coming up with isn't original. Um, Anyhow, Leaf Computer, Forest Software, what are we looking to do? One, we want to convey values. We want to reach back into time and look at great companies, what they were built on, and they were built on vision. We see that with Apple. We've seen that with Facebook. Leaf Computer, Forest Software. What will it do? Well, what are we trying to convey? We want to take digital innovation and bring environmental awareness as well as organic design principles in the new world of AI. So, and cryptocurrency, we haven't talked about that. Unique ways to run computer systems that we haven't done that are easy, intuitive, and fun. What will we offer? Well, green tech solutions that take into account reducing environmental impact, that optimize energy usage, that optimize storage and resource capability right from your device at home. We want to make sure that the design is friendly for the user, that the user experience is everything. We want it to be intuitive. We want it to be accessible. We want it to be fun. We want it to make sense. We don't want to give people a headache. We want to give people a great experience, something that they can reflect on it, that they want to do it again, right? So rooted in organic models, what will we mean by that? Well, that will have to do a little bit with production, and we can get into that later. I'm only one person. I'm looking to fund this, to build it, and get the kind of support that will build a great company and start with products that can be sold. And we will build up from there. I get that. However, support is needed and capital is needed. And to build something that has research that shows that it's going to sell, that it's not a me too product. It's a product with authenticity. It's going to change the way we think about computers. Symbolism and themes, we think about the evergreen trees, the rolling hills, represents endurance, sustainability, natural beauty. And that comes with long lasting solutions, technology solutions, and software solutions that are eco conscious and um, are what people want. They're not just like, low volume flush toilets. We don't want to do that. That was not a very good idea, and it created bad experiences for people. Just because you have an idea doesn't make it a good one. You have to really do some work and some research and bounce it off some people. And as a visionary, I consider myself Seventh Generation Technologies LLC. This is a project under that umbrella. Um, I suggest, I want to work on the vision, the clarity, the emergence of new ideas that I have, that in some cases, I think people aren't thinking about these ideas. So the emblem, picturing the emblem, it represents, really everything: completeness, protection, unity, integrating with the environment, being sustainable, being healthy for you. So what I'm seeking right now is $1 million blocks of investments in forms of bond or investment equity. Why do I need so much capital? Well, one is to not only hire the right people that are creative and design oriented and go getters. I mean, I want a go getter. I don't want a talker. I'm the talker. And I don't mean that other people can't talk. I'm the visionary, but I want people that can come under my umbrella, that can embrace my design and vision, and I'm going to empower them to do great things, not depower them, not bring them in and corrupt them, bring them in and make them enjoy even more every day what they're doing. And that's how you build a great company. The pressure is going to be on sometimes. I get that, but it can't all be sticks. It has to be carrots sometimes. Sticks and carrots, right? Sticks to, as a punishment, carrots as the reward. If you don't like carrots, then that's a horrible reward. So I get that. But 7th Generation Technologies, looking for $1 million block investments, looking for smart people um, who visualize something new, something different. Leaf computers, Leaf computing, Forest software. We're going to have a whole line of things to make it a great experience for consumers and businesses. We don't just want to cater to consumers. There's also the business and government markets out there to sell to as well. And can we sell to even sports teams, right? Can we sell to other computer companies, for goodness sakes? If we have something unique, they'll want to buy it. Talk to you guys later. This is Don Pryor. I am appreciative of your time, and I hope you reach out and we can start talking about this project and how we can finance it. And I can send an NDA, a lot of things I'm not telling you because, frankly, it'll get ripped off maybe, and I don't want that to happen. You guys have a great day. Thanks for listening.